Hi and welcome back guys to AMCrypto, your trusted source for your Bitcoin updates. So here in Bitcoin we see right now something really interesting developing over the last couple of hours, and I believe that Bitcoin could be ready here for a massive major move that we have waited for such a long time. And I want to show you where this move might possibly lead to. So if you think you're gonna enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and activate the notification bell so that you will always be notified when I put out one of these important updates. And now let's get here straight into the content, guys. So here we have once again the Bitcoin chart compared to the DXY, the dollar index. So, and here's something happening, what I was pointing out yesterday on my live stream, what I expect to happen. And we see the first signs of it here already in the Bitcoin chart. So, and that is here, this orange line is the DXY, the dollar index. The dollar index is starting to correct here to the downside, and that was what we wanted to see here. So there could have been a better scenario where the dollar index just crashes a little bit, and obviously Bitcoin would have in that scenario moved substantially up. So that was not the case, but that's absolutely fine because we see here at least the first sign that it wants to turn around to the downside. So by tomorrow or after tomorrow, we will know a little bit more how this is going to look like here, but I am still 100% certain that we will see here now the correction of the dollar index. This will not go higher, and that the Bitcoin price will, because of this, move here then into the stratosphere. So now let's talk about potential levels where the Bitcoin price could lead us to. So for this, I'm here on the daily chart. And guys, remember, I had shown you this here already many times. And so we have formed here this falling wedge in where the price action was kind of trapped in for quite a while. So, and we see here finally the first attempt to break out of this. So we are technically already out of this if this daily candle closes like this. So, but before I open a long position, I want to be sure, I want to make here really sure that this will be a sustainable move here and continuation to the upside. And for that, I wait for tomorrow's candle. Tomorrow's candle will be the key indicator where the Bitcoin price will go in the immediate short term. If the candle moves here substantially to the upside in direction of $40,000 or even over $40,000 tomorrow, or let's say in the next 48 hours, that will be for me the first sign that we are ready to get here a turnaround in the Bitcoin price. So, and then the levels that I will be looking at will be, of course, first of all, the technical target for this falling wedge, which will be $48,200. So, and as an entry, I'm looking at $39,500, $40,000 respectively as an entry by tomorrow's candle. So that are my immediate short-term targets, but there's obviously more. So if we're taking here the Fibonacci extension levels, then you can see that on the Fibonacci extension levels, the first level would be $44,000, which we can use as a first take profit point or to add to our positions from our entry down here. And afterwards, the next target that I'm looking at after completing the technical target of the falling wedge would be the 1.615, the 1.618, $55,177 and $54,832 that I'm looking at. So, but we should not praise the day before the evening. That's how we say it in Germany. So what if we see here now a massive fake out and break here lower? So what would be the levels that I would be looking at? So if that would be happening and we see something like this unfolding in the chart, so then my first initial level would be here around the $35,000. Yeah, kind of like here. And then when we go even lower than that, again, the $32,700, $800 level would be then the next one. So these are levels that we don't want to see to be tested. So we want to see here a nice breakout to the upside. So, and here the stochastic RSI for now flipped bullish, which is a good sign for more momentum here to the upside. Guys, that's it actually for today's video here. Please, if you want to make money here with me and my team, don't forget that you can still join my Signals channel. The link is in the description below. We are absolutely killing it. Last month was over 280%, and that without leverage. So you have to think about it. That was even without leverage, which is quite insane in this kind of market conditions. So, and you can also still go and sign up on a BYBIT with my specific link here. There you still get $4,050 in free bonuses and 0% on maker fees. So if you set a limit order, you don't pay any fees. And on Phemex, $4,100 in bonuses also with that specific link. Thank you so much for watching again, guys. I appreciate a lot that you are watching it every day, my channel. Please make sure, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, like the video and activate the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.